Let me show you how you can make passive income. When I mean up to $100 a day with Jasper. So what you have to do is to join jasper.ai content creator too. So you need to join their affiliate program. So to join the affiliate program, just scroll to the bottom. So once you scroll to the bottom, you find a section where you say affiliate partners. Click on affiliate. Once you click on affiliate partner, you will see say show your audience new way to create content and write copy using Jasper, giving them a special offer. And when they sign up, you get 30% recurring commission lifetime. So to do what you have to do next is to click on join. So anyone that start using Jasper to write a blog and they start using the paid plan of Jasper, you are going to get paid 30% commission lifetime. As long as the person that you send to Jasper is using Jasper every single month, you will be getting lifetime 30% commission. So all you just need to do, go and start using this website, which is called Jasper, to start making passive income. And they have 30 days cookies, which means if they click on your affiliate referral link, even if they don't buy the product within 30 days, if they come back again to start using Jasper or buy Jasper or any plan on Jasper, you are going to start making passive income. So go and try it out.